Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Clarins Total Eye Lift review. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether Clarin Total Eye Lift is a legit product or a scam one. And I would like to inform you that guys, this is not a product. If you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And in case if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the amazing picture of this Clarin Total Eye Lift. You can view the picture. And guys, it is an eye concentrated formula that can be applied all across your eye area, and you can eliminate your dark circles or aging signs by using this Total Eye Lift. Guys, this product is too popular worldwide and people are appreciating the function and results of this product. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to talk about some important points on which we can judge the product as a scam or legit. So let's check out the specifications of this product, guys. Now talking about the specifications. So guys, this product belongs to Clarins and the price of the serum is $100. And apart from that, it suits all types of skins and the texture is serum. Apart from that, you can apply this serum in the morning and in the evening as well. The quantity of this bottle is 15 ml and the ingredients are including horse chestnut, cassia, albizia and guarana, etc. Now guys, talking about the pros of this eye lift. So it has a lifting effect involved, which is an amazing thing. Apart from that, it helps to smoothen all fine lines and wrinkles too. And yes, it brightens up and beautifies the eyes and the lashes too. It has proven results that include 8% of the eye area get lifted. And yes, it leads to improve the appearance of the eye bags, and guys, it can make your skin more lighter and firmer. So these are the amazing benefits of this device, or you can say product. And yes, talking about Clarins Total Eye Lift review, guys, we have found positive reviews about this product on the internet, and we have found 4+ rating, as this product holds a rating of 4+. And here you can see one positive comment or feedback about this product, which was posted on October 17, 2020. Guys, however, the users have some negative reviews too as well, and we can say the people are not at all in favor of the price on which it is available. They are not satisfied with the cost of this product. And apart from that, you can see the manufacturing company of this product has a presence, social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube, which is a good sign. So guys, we highly recommend you to check everything from your site before placing your order, as this is a legit product, but it's important to explore the entire information before making any online purchase. So guys, there are mixed reviews about this product that define its legitimacy. And yes, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. I request you all to share your experience with this product, guys. And yes, we read all your comments over every video. So please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.